Good morning, everybody. This is Mark, the ministry dude, coming to you live from Livingston, Tennessee. This is the 20th day of January 2025. Don't forget to get your 2026, excuse me. Wow. I'm making myself younger. Don't forget to get your heart checked, and don't forget to check out the comments by the video for a link to our website. And I'm still in 2025. Woo. Making myself a little younger here. That's great. Yeah, I hope everyone's having a great day today so far, and I hope you had a great day yesterday celebrating Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. So, let's get started. Today we're going to talk about Galatians. Galatians 6. Today I affirm that my life is guided by God's truth and wisdom. That's what we need to be seeking in our life. Good health, wealth, and wisdom. And where better to get the wisdom from than from the Bible, God's truth and God's wisdom. I choose to walk by the Spirit and not grow weary in doing what is right. I affirm that I am responsible for my own walk and my own growth. I do not compare myself to others, for my journey is uniquely designed by God. God has a plan for us all. I affirm the principle of sowing and reaping. What I plant with my actions, thoughts, and words matters. I choose to sow kindness, faithfulness, patience, and love. I trust that in due season I will reap a harvest if I do not give up. I release discouragement and impatience. Even when progress feels slow, God is still working. My efforts are not wasted. My obedience is producing fruit beyond what I can see today. I affirm that I am strengthened to carry my own load, and I am also willing to help bear the burden of others. I walk in compassion, restoring others gently and without judgment. I affirm that I will not grow tired of doing good. Every act of love, every act of faith, and every step of obedience matters. God sees my faithfulness even when others do not. I choose to boast only in the cross of Jesus Christ. My identity is rooted in Him, not in performance or approval. I walk as a new creation, living in peace and mercy. Today, I walk forward with perseverance. I trust God's timing. I remain faithful to the work He has placed before me. I sow with faith. I wait for patience. I live with purpose. Amen. Well, thanks everyone for tuning in this morning. We really appreciate you being here. Don't forget to get your heart checked. And don't forget to check out the comments by the video. I'll leave a link to our website. You can check it out, ministrydude.com. Well, today's a little bit shorter. It's only 4 minutes. It's a 4-minute affirmation. That's all right. We're going to end with that today. And we'll see you again tomorrow with another daily affirmation.